I am showing you a little bit of a thrift haul. I went to the MCC Repurpose Center. It just opened. This is located in Elmira, Ontario. I did my first visit there on Tuesday, and I didn't buy anything that day. So I went back yesterday, and I got this whole box for $11.90 was the total. So everything I bought was 88 cents a pound. You can see on the receipt, and I guess I got about 13.5 pounds of stuff. So I thought I would unbox it here with you so you can check out what I got. We'll just start from the top. So I got this pretty little piece of linen, and it's in excellent condition, and I probably paid pennies for it, so I'll add it to my stash. This humble little piece of art, I was really attracted to the embroidery on it. It's very poorly framed and it's filthy dirty, but I'm going to look for a small square frame. I'm going to take this out of, I mean, it's pretty icky. I'm going to take it out of this frame and reframe it and just put it on a tabletop, because I think the flowers are gorgeous. And I mean, I've done embroidery since I was a very little girl, but this is really impressive to me. I don't think I've ever done this kind of embroidery where the petals are so filled in. Yeah, so it's really lovely. I like the blues. I think it's going to be a pretty accent once I find the right frame and get this cleaned up. I got this Battenberg lace valance. I got one exactly the same a couple weeks ago in a thrift haul you might remember seeing, and I think I paid $3 for it or something. And when I saw this one, I mean, it needs to be washed, of course. We'll see how it turns out. Now that I have a matching pair, I have a spare bedroom that has 2 windows that I think these would go nicely on, and we'll see how that goes. What's in here? Oh, that's a different thrift. That's snuck in there. That's a different thrift. That's snuck in there. Got this cup. It's an Indigo Chapters cup. These are usually about $10 at Chapters, and I think I've definitely shown you these before, and I always get these because when I have new social work students start, I like to give them a little onboarding gift on their first day, so I fill it with candy and wrap it in clear cellophane. So whenever I see them for less than $1, I pick them up. I got these 2 wooden hangers. They're both from fur storage companies, and I've got probably about 8 of these now. So I think what I'm going to do is switch out the hangers in my front hall closet where we hang up our coats, and I just really enjoy that. It harkens back to a different time. Got some milk glass, just some bud vases. Got, I think, 3 of them. And I got these, I know this is Fire King. It's not marked, but it's that, what's the word? Peach. It'll come to me. That was the first thing I saw as I walked in, was 3 of these. Peach luster, that's the word. Oh, I got 2 of these little goblets. They are the Avon, what is it? Cranberry glass. My mind is going. I got this big glass 2-handled thing. It's marked Anchor Hawking. And I thought, you know, that'd be nice just to store spoons in. I think it's probably a sugar bowl, but it's such a chunky, clunky piece that I think, you know, putting some spoons next to the coffee maker, that would be nice. And what was great about this, I know this is noisy with all the paper, what was great about this store was it was so clean, so quiet. They have boxes, like a corral of boxes available at the checkout for you to grab and pack your things, and they provide clean paper to wrap everything. I felt really bad about taking the paper because I got so much for next to nothing. There's another bud vase that matched the first one. What's in here? Oh, I got this little teacup. I think I have a bowl of the same. It says "Bless Our Home," and I believe this is sort of like post World War II, early 50s maybe, U.S. made. I can't think of the name. It'll come to me. It's way too early in the morning. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. It's a set of coasters, and they're super tacky and plastic. And so I thought these were really cute. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, and it'll be really fun for summer. I like that it has the original label still with it. Clearly not the same bag, but that's okay. Oh, I got this little sugar bowl. It's a Holly Hobby, and it's in good shape. It's got a year on it. Yes, it does. 1974. Little sugar bowl, or maybe a trinket container. And it just keeps coming. Another milk glass bud vase. You know, you used to be able to find these all over the place for next to nothing, and I think the thrift stores have got on to the trend that milk glass is a real trend, so they just mark up everything. And I got another peach luster mug here. And another Cape Cod. That's what it is. Cape Cod. I got this little teapot. It doesn't have a lid, but it has a bunny, and it's hand painted. It's English. It's not English. It's made in Thailand. I just got confused by the Wittert of Chelsea. There's little butterflies on the back. Anyway, I thought I would do something cute with that. Make a little miniature flower arrangement to put out for Easter. Alright, I looked at these and looked at these and looked at these. They are so pretty. They've got these blue daisies. The images are just sharp as anything. But it's Termocrisa, made in Mexico. So it's not Fire King, it's not Pyrex, but they are just really, really cute. And I got a set of 4. Clearly this was somebody's yard sale, $2 for the set, but like I said, I only paid 88 cents a pound. I got a bunch of wooden spoons. These look really cute and folky in a utensil crock. So I'm gonna keep my eye open for one. I like this one. It's got a big split in the middle. This one needs to be aged, and I've got an idea for aging this. That might be another video. And I got this frying pan. It's one of those Visionware Corning. So you can see it was originally $5 when it was in the store. I would say I paid $1.70 for it, maybe. That's about £2. So anyway, that's my finds from the MCC Repurposed store. I'll give you the address. I think I have it. Yeah. So it's 6 Arthur Street North in Elmira. And the hours are there. And if you're going to Elmira, you should go to the Thrift and Gift, which is just up the street from there. You can often find really cool stuff there. And there's around the corner from there is another thrift store. I think it's a community center thrift store. It's also a small, but sometimes you find some really good stuff. And as long as you're in Elmira, you might as well go to the Crossroads and enjoy the buffet there. It's all homemade food, sort of with a German Mennonite kind of base. I guess that's what you would call the cuisine. So last night there was schnitzel and sausage on the buffet, and the schnitzel was incredible. I enjoyed every bite. And the desserts, oh my gosh. Don't eat too much because the desserts are fantastic. I had like a half a piece of carrot cake, a little scoop of apple crisp, and another little scoop of this chocolate fudge brownie thing. Oh my gosh, it was so good. And my husband loves the mud pie. I think he had 2 pieces of mud pie. Anyway, it's a we don't go there very often because we just make total pigs of ourselves. But anyway, if you're in Southern Ontario and you're looking for something to do on a weekend, go for a drive up to Elmira. It's not too far from St. Jacobs, just another 10 minutes from St. Jacobs. And check out the thrift stores and the small town vibe and have some pie. All right, guys, have a great week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. If you have any questions, I hope that you will subscribe or check out my Instagram, Wishes and Weeds, or go to my blog, wishesandweeds.com.